Good morning everyone! We're here at Magalang, Pampanga! And we're going to celebrate Ate's birthday, Santino's birthday, and Daddy's birthday today.
Say hi sa vlog! Yeah, Susie's Magalang, Pampanga.
And of course, pag may birthday, kailangan may pansit. Kaya nag-order kami dito sa Susie's Cuisine. Yan! So for this triple celebration, guys, we will be staying here at La Serene Private Resort. This is a very good resort, hotel-like resort. Napakaganda ng amenities and facilities nila. As you can see, ang laki ng pool nila and they also have jacuzzi at night. So later, makikita nyo yung light dyan sa swimming pool. Napakaganda. Ito sila kuya. Nagpe-prepare sila ng mga balloons for decoration kay ate. Kasi 50th birthday ni ate. The decoration is a bit surprise for her. So this is their master's bedroom. They also have Netflix here, cabinet, and their own private CR. This is their living room na merong projector dyan at night. Their dining area is very aesthetic, napakaganda at yung kitchen nila. So this is the second bedroom that they can accommodate up to 10 packs, guys. Kasya dyan ng 10 packs. 2 double deck and extra mattress for additional 2 packs. Meron silang CR dito na napakaganda din, aesthetic. Kompleto na, may shampoo and conditioner and soap na dyan. And this is their kitchen na napakaganda na gusto namin gayahin sa bahay kasi napakaganda niya, in fairness. So this is the final look of the balloon decoration. And ito lang kami, nag-chill lang kami while waiting for their arrival kasi magkakaiba kami ng kotse.
Okay, ready na ba kayo? Ready na? Video to, video! Video! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hindi na.
Hindi, parang malagay sa ano.
Mami! Daddy! Daddy! Sabi ko white. Mag-white ka na. Gift there. Okay, open. Open the gift. The success. Wow! Tingnan, Daddy. Tingnan, Daddy. Tingnan, pakita mo sa camera. Wow! Tingnan, ate. Ay, tingnan ako yung picture. Birthday! Daddy, happy birthday! Daddy! Yes! Si Manong nakahiga. Hi! Oh. San. Ano pa nasabi mo sa 5,000 pesos? Oh my gosh. Happy birthday, money cake by EJ. Sharon, Gabi, kayo ba yan? So close together, I can feel the fire. Kuya, isang mic lang kami, isang mic. Isang mic lang. Isang mic lang gawin nyo. Yung more duet, isang mic lang.
Wag gago.
O kuya, lapit ka naman! Oh, lapit, 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 lapit! Holding hands, holding hands! Holding hands! Let the love begin.
Ba't ang mayroon ng dalawang tambay na ano na bakit?
Okay, sunod na. Huwag kayo papatalo. Okay, holding hands. Holding hands. Isang mic lang gagamitin. Isang mic lang. Magkaharap. Someday we'll know. Tirapo ko na.
Keep me close and don't let go. If I
Moving closer.
feels like a better
Game 1.
First game.
Para sa 500 pesos.
Meron akong 16 ducks.
Nako, patay. Dagmat.
16 ducks. Nakatago sa pagkakas. 16 ducks. Kung sino yung pinakamarami. Time starts.
Meron na? 16?
16 ducks. Kung sino yung pinakamarami makuha, siya panalo. Time starts now.
Okay.
16 ducks.
Ano yung kulay? Anong kulay?
Basta 16 ducks.
Siyempre, hindi ako makakasali kasi ako nagbe-video.
Oh, isa na si Athena.
Anong kulay?
Ay, ano?
16 ducks. Hindi ako makakasali. Ate, ikaw mag-video. Sali ako.
16 ducks. 16 ducks. Basta 16 yan. Meron pa ata. Parang meron pa. Baka nalagpasan pa. Nalagpasan pa. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Hindi na kayo nakapamarami. Apat na. Basta 16 yun, ha? 16. Bilangan na muna, baka lahat na nakakuha. Ay, meron si Maxine. Ikaw, pinahawak mo pa ako, wala kang na makuha. Kasino, dami na nakuha. Sa kabila? Okay na yan! Awak na lahat! Awak na ata lahat! Bilangan na! Okay, kuya. Kailan?
Okay, sino? Kuya, ilan? Kuya, Boyet. 1. Ikaw, 1. 1 din. Ikaw, Tina. 3. Kuya. 1. 7. Iyam. Ay, Iyam.
16 dalawa?
Tatlo. Sa Tina. Tatlo. 3, 6, 7, 10. Kulang pa.
Apat pa?
Ilan?
Ay! 4, 7, 10.
Buti na, 300 lang.
Ilan?
Ay, 500 ka.
16 ako na, 16.
16 na. Sabi ni engineer, 16 daw. Inad mo na, AD? 16? Okay, congratulations! And the winner is... 300! 300!
Boy, 500 na mo, pagana.
Next game! Si Kuya, may pa-game. May premyo agad May premyo agad
Talagang.
Mag-count tayo. Kailangan, tayo mag-count. Pero hindi na kayo nasakay. Pagka nasakay, pareho count. Yung pinakahuli, kayo panalo.
Paano sample?
Count off, 1 tayo.
Ano lang bali? Hanggang 11 na, 1 to 10 lang. Okay, magkasabay.
Ano pa lang may nagsabay na. Ano na rin?
Kung naintindihan?
Magkasabay tayo, may action yun.
Pauna kayo lang. Yung pinakahuli ilan, tandaan.
Magkasabay, ang isa.
Kung naintindihan? Hirap.
Oo,
Duga! Good morning from La Sirene Private Resort! Gising na dyan! Sino pa yung mga tulog? Gising na! Gising na! Gising na, oh. Gising na. Iyam! Iyam! Santino! EJ! Gising na! Sarap, Leggy!
So we're going home now, and we are here at the biggest cafe in the Philippines. It's Lala Garden Cafe here in Angeles, Pampanga. So it's very good inside. Grabe guys, napakalaki. Second floor siya, tapos sobrang lawak niya. It's like a mall already. So if you have time, you may visit here pag nasa Pampanga kayo, because they have a good pastries, look guys, and they also serve a good coffee, of course. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching our travel vlog with the whole family. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Doinks TV. Bye!